Hi guys, I'm Annabelle Knight and you're watching the Lovehoney TV channel, the place where we talk about sex and sex toys so that when you shop at the Lovehoney website, you know what the heck you're doing. This week we're focusing on male skin sensitivity, particularly your special skin down there. But before I dive in, I've just got to remind you that if you never want to miss a video again, you need to hit that subscribe button. So for those of you that didn't know, your penis is packed with tons of nerve endings, mainly focused around the tip. Now that means that it's really pleasurable to stimulate, but it can lead to premature ejaculation if you are particularly sensitive. So what I've done is collated a few products that can help you desensitize and last longer in bed if that's what you're after. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is using thicker condoms. Now these are the Trojan extended pleasure condoms. You can get delay condoms in loads of different brands, so just pick your favorite brand, do some research, try them out and find out which one works best for you. Now these condoms are thicker, which means that you don't get as much stimulation delivered through them, so you can last longer during intercourse. Also available are different types of lotions and potions that all promise to help to delay ejaculation and decrease your sensitivity. Now you can get these in balms, in creams, in gels. It's all about doing a bit of research and finding out which product is going to work best for you and your sex life. The lotion that I would recommend is the Tracy Cox Prolonged Pleasure Gel. Now this is packed with active ingredients that all work together to desensitize the tip of your penis and help you to last longer. It comes in this bottle with a pump action top, and I am going to just get some out so you can see what the gel is like. So you can see it's a white gel that as you rub in becomes translucent as it absorbs into the skin, and that is packed with tried and tested ingredients, all of which will help to just numb your penis that little bit so that you don't feel everything quite so intensely. And one pump has gone a really long way. That's covered the entire back of my hand. Now the trick with lotions and potions like this is to apply them a good 5 to 10 minutes before you actually want it to take effect. And that'll give it the time to soak in and really do its job. Now if thicker condoms and lotions and potions aren't your kind of thing, then you do have a third option, and that's to use a penis sleeve like this one. Now sleeves like this one are absolutely fantastic for desensitizing your penis and helping you to last longer. They also give you a little bit of extra length and a little bit of extra girth, and textured ones like this means that your partner gets a little bit more stimulation as well. Now this one has the added security of a ball loop, so all you need to do is wrap that around your testicles, pop your penis inside, and that will hold it in place nice and securely. Now you might want to add a little bit of lubricant to this to reduce friction. If you do, make sure you choose a good quality water-based lube to go along with your sleeve. So that's 3 products to try if you're looking to decrease your sensitivity. But of course, there's always another side to the coin. So you might be watching this video thinking, well, that's the opposite of what I want. I want to be more sensitive. In which case, I have a couple of things that might help. The first is the Tracy Cox Orgasm Gel. This has active ingredients such as arginine in it that help to tingle your sensitive spots, encourages blood flow and makes you feel more sensitive in that area. Now this is safe to use on any of your erogenous zones, so you can pop this on your nipples, on the tip of your penis, or on your clitoris if you have one of those. Now this particular gel is non-greasy, it's safe to use with all types of condoms and sex toys, so it's a really good staple to have in your bedside drawer. And earlier we talked about getting thicker condoms if you want to decrease your sensitivity. Well, on the flip side, you can get really thin condoms as well. These are the EXS Air Thin, and they proudly boast that they're the world's thinnest condoms. There are, of course, loads of other brands to choose from. So when it comes to buying really, really thin condoms, do your research. You might want to try a few to see which works best for you, and just make sure that the condom fits really well. Now I just want to round off with a couple of don'ts. Don't double up on condoms. I've seen lots of people giving this advice, saying, oh, I just put 2 condoms on and it works. Now it might work when it comes to desensitivity, but it won't work when it comes to actually doing the job that it's meant to do, which is to protect you from pregnancy and STDs. If you use 2 condoms, they'll rub together, create friction and increase their chances of tearing, So please don't do that. And the other don't is don't restrict the blood flow to your penis too much. If you do want to restrict the blood flow, buy a cock ring or something specially designed for the job. Don't use hair bubbles, elastic bands, string, anything like that, because it's not designed to go around your penis and you could cause damage to the sensitive tissue inside. So there we have it, the do's and don'ts of increasing and decreasing sensitivity in the penis. If you never want to miss a video again, hit that subscribe button. To get notifications, click on the bell. And if you fancy watching another video, there's one coming up right now. Thanks so much for watching. I've been Annabelle Knight and you've been watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel. Bye.